Welcome to this video, exploring the reality of a blue-collar worker. We'll take you through 30 moments, from sunrise to sunset, to show you what really happens behind the hard hats and steel boots. The workday often starts at 5 a.m. It's a quiet beginning to a long day, long before most of the world has even started to wake up. Preparation is key. Before leaving home, every tool must be checked and accounted for. Having the right equipment is essential for the tasks ahead. Then comes the morning commute. For many in these trades, long journeys to the job site are just a standard part of the daily routine. Upon arrival, the first priority is always safety. Every shift begins with a briefing to ensure everyone stays protected throughout the day. Once the work begins, the heavy lifting starts. It's a job where physical strength must be paired with skilled, practiced technique. Skilled trades are vital. From electrical work to welding and masonry, every profession plays a crucial role in keeping the economy moving. Working at heights requires immense focus and discipline. It is a specialized environment where safety protocols are non-negotiable. The work doesn't stop for the weather. Whether it's rain, snow, or extreme heat, the job must continue regardless of the conditions. On a busy site, there is constant noise. The sound of power tools becomes the background music of the day for those working on the ground. Success is built on cooperation. Moving large materials or completing complex tasks proves that no project is ever truly a solo endeavor. Precision is at the heart of the craft. Every measurement counts, and accuracy ensures the structural integrity of the entire project. Operating heavy machinery is a skill that takes years to master. Here, experience is required to control every precise movement. Midday brings its own set of challenges. Troubleshooting and problem solving happen in real time, often requiring quick decisions on the fly. Finally, a moment to pause. A quick lunch break provides a short, necessary rest before tackling the challenges of the afternoon. The afternoon rush sets in. Deadlines keep everyone moving on the site, as teams coordinate to stay on schedule. Work often involves hidden risks. Every day comes with the responsibility to maintain focus and prioritize safety gear. Projects are built with skill and steady hands. Experience is what creates lasting quality in any trade. This is the physical reality of the job. It is demanding work that requires true endurance. Technology is changing these trades. Modern tools and digital plans are helping workers improve their overall productivity. Learning never stops. As methods evolve, skilled workers must keep updating their knowledge and expertise every year. Every trade helps build society. Our cities exist because of the dedication of the workers who build them. As evening approaches, the shift begins to wind down. There is usually one last task to complete before heading home. Going home after a long shift is a special feeling. Workers are often tired, but they take pride in what they have accomplished. Family time is the ultimate reward for the hard work put in throughout the day. There is a reality behind every paycheck. Every pound earned is a direct result of hours of dedication and sweat. Why do skilled trades matter? Because without the people who build and maintain our infrastructure, nothing gets built. Looking ahead, the demand for skilled trades continues to grow, offering promising career opportunities. It is important to respect every worker. Every trade deserves appreciation for the vital role it plays in our lives. Thank you for watching this look at a day in the life. Please support the people who build our future.